Chinese Pinyin Consonants Lesson 5. Welcome back to this video tutorial. As we said in our previous lesson, it's hard to read Chinese because it has characters, not letters. Chinese has 50,000 characters altogether. 20,000 of them used in modern dictionary. And for the educated Chinese people, they have 8,000. But you will only need 2,000 till 3,000 to be able to read different topics. That sounds terrific, right? Don't worry. To make a sample for foreigners, China set a system called Pinyin to teach Mandarin Chinese, which means Latin alphabet. Chinese Pinyin consists of 23 consonants and 5 vowels: A, O, E, I, and U. You should notice that all the Latin letters pronounce the same as English, except for those with red colors, which pronounce differently. Today, we will take a closer look at the first 8 consonants with examples. Let's start with the letter B. Baba. Baba, father or dad. Bao, bao, which means bag. Now the letter P. Piao, piao, ticket or stamp. Pao, pao, to run or to escape. The consonant M. Mai, mai, to buy. Mama, mama, mother. The consonant F. Fei, fei, to fly. Fan, fan, food or mail. The letter D. Deng, deng, to wait. Dai, dai, to bring or to take. The letter T. T, T, to kick. Tang, tang, soup. The letter N. Na, na, to hold or to take. Ni, ni, you. And the last for today is L. Leng, leng, cold. Lei, lei, to be tired. To know the other consonants, wait to our next tutorial. Okay, that's all for today and see you in the next episode. Bye!